Looking for a keyboard that delivers precise performance and lasting durability? The Cherry MX mechanical keyboard is built with the original German-made switches, widely recognized as the best in the market. With up to 50 million clicks per switch, these mechanical switches guarantee responsiveness and reliability that serious users demand. What sets this keyboard apart is more than just the switches. It comes with a magnetic protective cover, no flimsy cloth or mesh here, that shields your keyboard from dust and damage whether you're at home or on the move. Plus, the detachable cable adds convenience, making it easier to travel with your keyboard while protecting both the cable and the device itself. If you appreciate a premium feel, this keyboard delivers with an extra set of metal keycaps. These add a noticeable sense of quality and strength, elevating your typing experience beyond the ordinary. The all-metal construction also enhances durability, making this keyboard feel like a high-end device without the hefty price tag. Lighting options are smart and practical. You get 20 preset backlight effects along with 10 customizable modes, including adjustable white LED keys that avoid the flashy RGB overload many dislike. This keeps the look clean and professional while still offering enough lighting to suit your style and needs. Top reviews from users across the United States highlight the keyboard's excellent build quality and functional design. Many appreciate the tenkeyless layout, which fits perfectly on smaller desks, giving gamers and typists alike a comfortable setup without sacrificing key performance. The weighty feel and real cherry red switches earn high marks for delivering a satisfying typing experience. One user summed it up perfectly: "This keyboard has all the features you want and none of the distractions you don't." It's ideal for those who want a solid, dependable keyboard without unnecessary extras. The magnetic cover, metal keycaps, and genuine cherry switches combine to create a product that's both practical and stylish. If you're searching for a reliable mechanical keyboard that balances quality, durability, and thoughtful design, this Cherry MX model is worth a look. It's especially suited for anyone who values a clean aesthetic and a robust typing feel without overspending. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup. With proven performance and thoughtful features, this keyboard stands out as a smart choice for gamers, professionals, and anyone serious about their typing experience.